Happy Wednesday, December 17, 2025, beautiful spiritual brothers and sisters. This is the Glyphosate Guy, also author of upcoming New York Times best-selling book about increasing your mind span titled How to Die of Nothing, as well as passive residual income while you sleep as a pro network marketing coach, Danny Zen, coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. Apologize if it's so dark, but it's actually sunset. I did not miss seeing the sunrise, but I'm recording this now because I had to see some opportunities, and I also am a very consistent person, okay? So block of the next 10 minutes or so, you're going to learn about something that will help you in case you are caught in a disaster and you have to have you drink suspect water, okay, should there be a major infrastructure collapse. I know you guys can't probably see this, but this is a bottle of a USDA certified organic and EPA-registered line of safe, non-toxic disinfectants and sanitizers. I have been told by the chemist and patent holder for the HypoChlorous company that in order to kill microorganisms found in, not potable water, but, just from a stream, a river, or other suspect source like rainwater, you need to add at least 3 to 7 fluid ounces of this 200 parts per million of the active ingredient that's called hypochlorous acid, okay? It's actually something our white blood cells makes naturally to fend off bad pathogens, okay? And even something that was used during World War I to treat wounds in soldiers. And again, it's called the HypoChlorous Company. I am an affiliate with them, and to save you in a bind, if you're a camper, whatever, or prepper, again, approximately 3 to 7 fluid ounces per gallon of suspect water to kill at least microorganisms. It will not, remove heavy metals, radioactive particles, okay, things like that, or petrochemicals, but it will kill microorganisms, so you at least don't get Montezuma's revenge, if you know what I mean, the runs, diarrhea, okay? So this is something that's very important as a prepper, and stay tuned at the end. This is also going to my Lauderhill over $99 brain health and off-grid Acme store, because my local government has been issued a warning, at least in the past two consecutive quarters, for violating the maximum contaminant level for something called total triethylamines or something like that, TTHMS. So you learn about a way to distill your water with one of my partners. So in keeping in line with the water purity and hydration Wednesdays, make sure you visit my Linktree/H20, the number 0, not letter O, for Dummies site, okay? So you can learn about how to maximize intracellular hydration, drink the purest form of water, and other things that will open up new grooves in your brain, okay? And I'll be adding additional things to another document which you can visit, which is tinyurl.com/intracellular hydration for my water for Dummies resource guide, okay? It's got a list of books and other things, experts, researchers, scientists in the field. Since water is still poorly misunderstood, you would think we would know about it, even though we're mostly water molecules. I think well over 99.8% of our body cells our molecules are water, okay? So, and as we get older, we need to drink more water, as we can be as low as 50% water compared to a baby that's approximately 80% after it pops out of its mama, okay? So if you want to learn more about these game-changing products, they've got a 32-ounce spray bottle, a 3-ounce small travel size or sample bottle. I don't have that on me right now, but go to my shortened HypoChlorous Company affiliate link, which is bit.ly/tryhypo. That's B Bravo, I Israel, T Tango, $.ly/TRYHYPO. Or you can enter my 10% off code, which is How to Die of Nothing, all letters, HOWTODIEOFNOTHING, when you check out at their main e-commerce site, and that's tryhypo.com. Again, T Tango, RYHYP, Peter O Oscar.com. You can also view their pool flyer if you have a pool or spa or jacuzzi. Save money on from chlorine and protect your health. Go to Linktree/SafeSanitizer. That's LINKTR $E echo /SafeSanitizer SafeSanitizer. And if you want to supplement and replace your income, since artificial intelligence is already slaughtering millions of jobs, make sure you have a plan B and a financial spare tire. By joining my team, earn 25% commissions along with 73% override commissions on your personally sponsored or recruited sub-affiliate sales, 2 levels down. Leave me a voicemail with your best email address, your full name, and be sure that you're over 18 and have legal authorization to work. You can have customers throughout North America, including USA, Canada, Mexico. Last time I checked. Just leave me a voicemail at my landline number with your, again, all that information at 786-441-2727 is my landline. Again, 786-441-2727, or my cell phone at 305-297-9360. Again, 305-297-9360. For faster and best service, reach out to my HypoChlorous Company affiliate sponsor, Ms. Lori Gagan. Her cell phone is 219-789-7180. Again, 219-789-7180. If you have some major wholesale ordering, okay, we can handle literally, like, you know, by the 55-gallon drums or maybe even 250-gallon tote sizes. Contact their co-owner and chief executive officer, Mr. Kelton Cole, but only if you have something that is fit for a co-owner and a CEO, okay? This would be like, you know, a big partnership, like getting this on the shelves of your, you know, literally Whole Foods, seriously, natural grocers, you know, Home Depot or other relevant marketing distribution channel, you know, the likes of Cisco, or if you're a purchaser for, like, you know, for major big facilities with dozens if not hundreds of locations, like a supermarket, you know, major supermarket chain, whatnot, or regional supermarket, grocery store, or convenience store, okay, or a commercial or residential cleaning company with hundreds if not thousands of employees. Call Kelton Cole. His cell phone there in Utah is 801-916-1030, but only if you won't waste the time and for the genuine interest in becoming a wholesale repeat regular customer, okay? Again, 801-916-1030. You can ask him for his email address if you want, okay? And to view a list of 35 reasons to become a HypoChlorous Company affiliate and or customer, visit either tinyurl.com/passive and residual income, or if that link doesn't work, go to tinyurl.com/why join try hypo, okay? I'll have the links in the description below this video. Anyways, I know I'm going fast because it's after sunset, and I promised myself, actually, I'm breaking my own rule by not looking at a blue light on the screen, even though I do have f.lux and it's dimmed down. I'm wearing my blue blockers, you can maybe see or not see. I try to use the stop screens, you know, 90 minutes before sunset. So anyways, I do want to mention another thing really quickly to save on water when it comes to flushing your toilet. Got something really exciting and fun. Make sure you head on over to my new partner that provides Asian squatting toilets. Seriously, I saw these when I took a 6-week trip to the island of my home country of Taiwan back in 2000. And these are squatting toilets. It's going to help you relieve constipation, have quicker elimination, more full elimination, maybe even reduce your risk of hemorrhoids and other GI issues down there, okay? By not having your sphincter muscle contracted, okay? But go to my phone friend out of Cypress, Houston, Texas area, Mr. Israel Mustafa Zayadan. I can't pronounce his name. I think he's Indian. And you can visit his YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and do a search for Squat Toilet USA, okay? And that is his website, Squat, S-Q-U-A-T, toiletusa.com. And his primary business is something called luludecor.com that provides interior decoration products of various sorts. Last time I checked, he's going to be raising his prices to as much as $1,250 due to supply chain issues. But I believe currently you can ask him for the most current pricing, but they're subject to change. You could get it for as low as $999 each, and these are compatible with USA plumbing, okay? It's a few inches off the ground, but it's designed to be squatting on, and you should be saving a lot of water. That's why I bring it up. and he might have some totally ground flush. I mean, that's a flush to the ground, so it's like totally flat with the ground, okay? Ask him if he's got that in stock. I did leave him a voicemail, but I haven't heard back. And just be sure to tell him that Danny Zen of both, howtodieofnothing, onehouseoffthegrid.com referred you, okay? Again, that's squattoiletusa.com. I first learned about him from his YouTube channel. He's got a couple videos only on that YouTube channel. If you can't find it, just leave me a voicemail at 786-441-2727, okay? Now, make sure you learn about water distillation. There'll be some links on that water resources, for dummies e-guide. And so you can not consume all the nasty things that are in water. I pray that you guys never drink tap water, okay? And very, very important, as we need to drink even more water due to all the 5G that's around us, that's microwaving us like a piece of steak, okay? You'll learn about my partner called My Pure Water. That's like almost a 50-year-old company. I just got off the phone with them. Go to my shortened link where you can get a discount and ensure the safety of your family. Go to tinyurl.com/thepurestwater, all letters, okay? I'll also have a link in the description below the video for my full mypurewater.com affiliate link. And as I had mentioned in the beginning, I'm happy to announce that my neighbors here in the city of Lauderhill in Broward County, South Florida, some of you guys might have gotten this letter that I'm showing you here. Violation of the maximum contaminant levels for total trihalomethanes, okay? Although I don't know if we're currently still violating, but you want to safeguard your health. I have gotten a special code created for you. All you have to do to get a discount is to enter Lauderhill at checkout, just to make sure you apply that. Okay, Lauderhill at checkout when you go to mypurewater.com, again, all letters. And be sure to forward me a copy of your order confirmation email and send that on over to both howtodieofnothing at gmail.com, or you can send it to Lauderhill Acme Store at Gmail, or my primary email, which those two just forwards to, and that's D as in Danny, C Charlie, T Tango, the number 3 at cornell.edu. Okay, again, D Delta, C Charlie, T Tango, the number 3 at cornell.edu. Okay, and sorry I'm going fast, and I hope that adds value to you guys so you guys can stay healthy. You'll see some products that will help you to remineralize your distilled water, such as the detoxy salt that I talk a lot about. I don't have the flyer on me. You'll also see how you can magnetize your water with something called the Magnetico Sleep. I'll have a link in the description below the video, including a link to Dr. Jack Cruz's testimonial going over these magnetic mattresses. I know you can't see it, or you can just visit my shortened 15% off. So you can put your remineralized, restructured water on top of the Magnetico Sleep mattress like I do if you're totally a biohacker. Just go to tinyurl.com/Magnetico Sleep, okay? Or you can apply my 15% off code Danny, D-A-N-N-Y, when you check out on their main site, magneticosleep.com, okay? I'm not going to talk about these water ionizers and alkalizers that is also offered by the manufacturer of that detoxy salt. I'll have a link in the description below the video so you can learn about the world's purest salt that's confirmed to be free of all microplastics and nanoplastics. And you can go to tinyurl.com/detoxy salt, okay? So you don't consume any of those microplastic beads. Do not get this like the Kangen, Enagic water ionizers, alkalizers. There's a bunch of crap. Even though Richway and Fuji Bio offers it, I do not promote it, okay, such as the Alkalife 7000 whatever, okay, because I actually have principles and morals and values. I won't promote that. I'll have a link in the description below the video. We can also view like almost 40 health and financial benefits by becoming a Richway and Fuji Bio .com distributor on my team, of one of which, of course, you can market that detoxy salt, okay, which is actually alkaline and has like at least 22 trace minerals. But anyways, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your kind time and attention, and I'll I'll have a link to my glyphosate testing, exposure prevention, and detoxing e-guide, which is invaluable, and I'm turning that into the world's first network marketing company, all centered around the testing of, preventing exposure to, and detoxing of the active ingredient Roundup herbicide. Okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. Have a happy early holidays. Be well. Bye-bye. I'll also have a link in the description below the video so you can recondition your thinking about how to earn money by having a mindset shift regarding Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant concept video, as I always talk about, okay? Since AI is going to slaughter a lot of your jobs and businesses, okay? Anyways, take care. Bye-bye.